Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can buy a Bitcoin in Turkey. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing company and they are going to provide you a way how you can buy a Bitcoin. So just add your first name, last name, email, password, everything, and you just create an account and you get $10 for free. So when you're going to do it, you're going to be here in Coinbase. And then just few assets on the Coinbase, like Bitcoin, you can buy with 100 or whatever price you want, buy Bitcoin or Ethereum Classic, and pay with my wallet or bank. And I can simply preview the buy, and I can buy it. When you're gonna buy it, then you're gonna see it in your portfolio right here. And what you can do is to, like when you're gonna sell the Bitcoin, you can withdraw the money this way. Like I want to show you the whole process of adding the money and withdrawing the money. You can deposit or withdraw 100 euro, continue, and you can withdraw it to your bank account or your credit card. And this is how you can simply buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.